cin 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 al mondo tutto intero e a tutti noi cin 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 cin. Ti sa un'altra versione? Sì.
You see, you have to kind of travel out of your little sort of norm and comfort level to find some gems. And we found a gem tonight in Belluno, in northern Italy, with Chef Gaspar Nicole from this beautiful little place that Oscar recommended. Little quaint place. He said, "Don't worry, I'm going to take you. Just follow me." And that's what we did. Up this winding road, very narrow woodland in this northern little plateau overlooking a valley. And we're at Tony Fidelia's restaurant in this little hidden gem on this mountaintop. And we had Chef Gaspar prepare an absolute fantastic meal.
Thank you.
Con complimenti, Chef. We started off with the beautiful breadcrumb coated French lamb chop with a beautiful egg tart, almost quiche style, with a little bit of a mousse sauce. Then we did guanciale di manzo, which is beautiful, low and long, braised in red wine beef cheeks. We had a celery root mash puree. They had a tartare, almost scalloped potato, a very thin potato patate. And then we just kept eating and eating. Non quasi mangia sempre.
Yes.
Risotto di zucca. Go, spiega.
In italiano.
Italiano.
È un risotto carnaroli, quindi tipico italiano. Si fa un leggero soffritto di cipolla, si rosola il riso, poi viene bagnato con un po' di vino bianco e si continua la cottura con un brodo vegetale, solamente di carote, sedano e cipolla. Alla fine della cottura mettiamo della zucca fatta cotta al forno lentamente, poi passata in un mixer o in un robot, e poi alla fine ci mettiamo del rosmarino tritato per dare quel gusto di amaro, e alla fine del formaggio gorgonzola tipico italiano, un formaggio burinato, mettiamo sopra il risotto in modo di amalgamare i diversi gusti, il dolce, l'amaro e il burinato.
E un pomodoro confit.
E il pomodoro confit, quindi andiamo a prendere il pomodorino ciliegino siciliano, lo mettiamo in forno a 80 gradi per un'ora e mezza.
That's
Quindi
beautiful.
rimane anche quell'acidità che dà il gusto finale al piatto.
That's fantastic. So, I mean, even if you didn't understand that, you know, we're going to show you a photograph in a minute. What Gaspar did is he took us to various parts of the world in this fantastic meal. Now, at the end, the chef comes up with about 7 or 8 various desserts. And look at them. If you just pan that, Steve, my cameraman Steve, they kept coming out. We had an assortment of chocolate flavors. We had pastries. We had beautiful mio favorito, questo qua con basilico. Spiega questo qua.
Questa è una panna cotta, diciamo, una crema cotta di panna con un po' di rum e menta. Menta e proprio un leggero gusto di basilico.
Basilico si sente. A little bit of mint and a little essence of basil. You think of all these items that are from your garden and herbs and into this beautiful panna cotta mousse. And then questo qua, to finish the dish, is taking pineapple, thinly sliced, but the trick is with un po' di alco.
Di alco and zenzero.
Zenzero. But
Ginger.
Because the ginger, we're feeling the burn on our tongue. But the nice thing is, right all the way from Madagascar, a beautiful fresh peppercorn.
Yes.
Right. Again, you don't think of using things like ginger and peppercorn in your desserts, but Chef did it tonight for us. Ringraziamo from the Veneto Cycling Club, tutti gli amici, and Steve in the camera, the chef. Hopefully, one day you can come to Canada.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, hopefully.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you. What a great meal, guys. And that's what it's all about. It's about cycling, enjoying great times with friends, and enjoying knowledge that's shared to us by some great people in the Veneto region. We are the Veneto Cycling Club. We meet, we ride, we eat.
Okay.
Okay.